Yes, people. How you doing? Just picking up some stuff from a location in Kent. Yeah. Welcome to this channel, Simon Kahwa. I noticed that this year I've lost a lot of subscribers. I've been going through my analytics. They show you as a YouTuber. You get me? How many months? But I've lost subs. Why do I think so? Because this year, talking about what they call with my channels, I think some people didn't. Well, that every year I sort of take a break. I take a long break from YouTube, from jobs, and you know. So some people can't take YouTube as having a break. If they can't take, I think that's inconsiderate, you know. Especially talking about it in mental health awareness week. YouTube is the tedious thing. It's also a mind game. You're entertaining, you're educating, you're catching people's minds. That means you're using your mind. You get? But away from that, mainly, it was because I have switched it up a bit. Right now, I'm talking my mind. I've had it with just talking things that everyone wants to hear, and you know, I'm now sort of speaking my mind. If something is on my mind, I'll speak it. But also, I've changed, still doing trucks and still a truck driver. But I'm now bringing other topics in. So if that seems interesting, please sub to the channel, give us a like, and then we carry on. I just realized I ain't going to just keep on talking the same stuff, and you know. I think also on the other hand, what is the exchange for the YouTuber? A YouTuber, we use the platform for like therapy, to talk, to take, you know, to outburst, because the money you get is not really worth all the time you put in. I mean, it's little money initially. Even up to this stage, I don't really get paid that as worth of. I've been checking like a overview what I've gotten from the time I started this channel. What I get every month, I don't want to reveal, but what I'm trying to say is, if it doesn't give me something else that's not money, then what's the point? That means it gives me the chance to outburst. It gives me the chance to express myself, things that are close to me, that even not relating to trucks. You get? So I've now switched it up. I'm talking what I want, what I have in mind. I can see people are moving, but again, others are coming on. So actually, we're getting the right people. I'm going with those who are on my side. If you're not on my side, you know, there are so many people talking the same topics. You get me? So many people, but just noticing that people have left. Like now, the last 28 days, 9 people left the channel. And then, where does it show? It shows you the last 90 days, 31 people left the channel. Alright? But again, I gained all these other people, which is, 174 from videos, 17 from shorts, and 8 from live streams. So others come in, others go, but I never noticed so many people leave. I think I've switched something, and I don't think I want to look back. Say what needs to be said. What gives relief? What makes sense? What you want to share? You get? Anyway, many more videos on the way, and stay tuned to this channel. Videos and opinion from a truck driver. Not necessarily all trucking videos, just ideas and opinions. From a truck driver from Africa. Loads of UK driving experience. And as it is, I like touching on current affairs. I like touching on things that matter, that affect our lives daily. An insight into my life, or people like me. You get? So support the channel, and more is coming out of this channel. Okay, this is just a short one. Speak with you soon. Love.